Shalom everyone! Again, this is Ate Ai, and for today's vlog, I wanna share you the conjugation of infinitive verb to observe. In Hebrew, Lehashkif. Okay guys, bow not kill. Present tense observe for masculine singular, mashkif. Ani, mashkif. Ata, mashkif. Who, mashkif. Present tense observe for feminine singular, mashkifa. Ani, mashkifa. At, mashkifa. He, mashkifa. Present tense observe for masculine plural or mixed gender, mashkifim. Anachnu, mashkifim. Atem, mashkifim. Hem, mashkifim. Present tense observe for feminine plural, mashkifut. Anachnu, mashkifut. Aten, mashkifut. Hen, mashkifut. For past tense, observe. Hishkafti. Hishkafta. Hishkaft. Hishkif. Hishkifa. Hishkafnu. Hishkaftem. Hishkaften. Hishkifu. Hishkifu. Okay guys, for future tense, we'll observe. Ani, ashkif. Ata, tashkif. At, tashkifi. Hu, yashkif. He, tashkif. Anachnu, nashkif. Atem, tashkifu. Aten, tashkifna. Hem, yashkifu. Hen, tashkifna. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative observe for masculine singular, hashkef. Imperative observe for feminine singular, hashkifi. Imperative observe for masculine plural, hashkifu. Imperative observe for feminine plural, hashkefna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog in You to Learn Hebrew. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next vlog. God bless you all. Lihitraot.